Most men think attraction grows through constant effort. More messages, more attention, more reassurance. They believe if they explain themselves better, respond faster, and stay emotionally available at all times, a woman will naturally value them more. But what usually happens is the exact opposite. The more available you become, the less emotional impact your presence carries. Familiarity replaces tension. Predictability replaces curiosity. And slowly, without realizing it, you teach people that your attention will always be there no matter how little they invest in return. What many men never understand is that people rarely feel the weight of your presence until they experience the silence of your absence. When someone becomes emotionally certain they will never lose you, they stop noticing the energy you bring into their life. That is why absence creates emotional contrast. Silence forces reflection. Distance reveals importance. This is not about manipulation. It is not about playing games or pretending not to care. It is about emotional discipline. The moment you stop chasing, people start noticing your presence differently. Some only recognize your value when they finally feel your absence. Because the truth is, when a woman begins feeling that emotional shift, her behavior often changes in ways most men never expect. A lot of men destroy attraction without realizing it because they confuse attention with value. The moment they feel emotional distance, they panic. They send another message. They explain themselves again. They try harder, talk more, and become even more emotionally available, believing effort will bring the connection back. But excessive pursuit rarely creates attraction. More often, it communicates fear. Fear of losing someone, fear of being ignored, fear of not being enough. Think about modern dating patterns. A woman takes longer than usual to reply, and suddenly a man double texts within minutes. He notices her energy change slightly, so he immediately asks if something is wrong. He constantly initiates conversations because silence makes him uncomfortable. Instead of allowing space, he chases reassurance. And the more he does it, the more emotionally predictable he becomes. Attraction depends heavily on emotional tension and contrast. When someone receives unlimited access to your attention, your presence slowly loses emotional weight. There is no uncertainty, no curiosity, no space to wonder about you. Human psychology responds differently to things that feel earned, balanced, and emotionally grounded. Calmness creates intrigue because it signals self-control. Desperation removes mystery because it signals dependency. This is why emotional restraint should never be confused with manipulation. Staying composed is not about pretending to be cold or unavailable. It is about remaining emotionally centered instead of reacting impulsively every time you feel uncertainty. A man who controls his emotions communicates strength without needing to announce it. He does not chase validation after every delayed reply. He does not force connection. And ironically, that calm emotional stability often creates far more attraction than constant pursuit ever could. Most people can sense emotional pressure even when it is never spoken aloud. They feel when someone is overly attached to outcomes. But they also feel when someone carries quiet confidence and inner balance. The man who can step back, focus on his own life, and remain grounded during uncertainty naturally creates emotional gravity. His attention feels valuable because it is given freely, not desperately. That difference changes everything over long periods naturally. Human beings rarely notice emotional comfort while they still have constant access to it. Most people only begin reflecting on someone's value after that energy changes. That is why absence affects people so deeply. It creates contrast, and contrast forces awareness. When your attention becomes less available, the emotional certainty they once felt begins to disappear. Suddenly, the conversations that were always there become quieter. The reassurance they unconsciously depended on becomes less predictable. And without realizing it, they begin replaying your presence in their mind. The human mind naturally chases unresolved emotional patterns. It searches for clarity whenever familiar routines suddenly change. This is why silence creates psychological tension. When someone who was always expressive becomes quieter, people notice. When someone who constantly initiated contact suddenly pulls back emotionally, Curiosity begins growing in the background. Questions appear silently in the mind. What changed? Why does their energy feel different? Are they losing interest? Are they focusing elsewhere now? The absence itself creates reflection. Most men never understand this because they think attraction is built only through more communication. But emotional overload often removes the very tension that keeps people emotionally aware of your presence. Constant validation becomes invisible over time because human psychology adapts quickly to consistency. People start expecting what once felt special. That is why your absence becomes loud when your presence was meaningful. Think about how often someone notices little things only after they disappear. The daily message, the attention, the emotional availability, the consistency. At first, those things seem ordinary because they are always there. But once the pattern breaks, emotional awareness increases immediately. Silence leaves room for thought, space creates mental replay, and uncertainty magnifies emotional focus. This is not about punishment, manipulation, or revenge. Emotional withdrawal used as a strategy usually feels forced and emotionally immature. Real emotional balance comes from reconnecting with your own center instead of obsessively monitoring someone else's behavior. The healthiest form of absence happens naturally when a man stops overextending himself emotionally and starts protecting his peace. Ironically, that calm shift is often what makes people notice him more deeply than constant attention ever did before. One of the biggest mistakes many men make in relationships is slowly turning a woman into the emotional center of their entire life. At first, it seems harmless. They cancel routines to stay available. Their goals become less important than getting a reply. Their mood starts depending on her attention. Without noticing it, they begin checking their phone constantly, analyzing response times, and emotionally orbiting around one person's validation. The relationship stops being part of their life and quietly becomes the focus of it. The problem is that emotional dependence slowly removes individuality. When a man abandons his purpose, discipline, and personal direction for constant emotional availability, his energy changes. He becomes reactive instead of grounded. His attention feels unlimited instead of valuable. And over time, attraction weakens because there is no longer emotional balance between connection and independence. Stoic philosophy teaches something most people ignore today. A man becomes emotionally magnetic when his life has meaning beyond attention and validation. Purpose creates presence. Discipline creates self-respect. A man who is focused on building himself does not need to force emotional importance because his energy naturally carries weight. He has routines to protect, goals to pursue, standards to maintain, and a life that continues moving whether someone stays or leaves. That is why emotional independence feels powerful. Not because it makes someone cold, but because it makes them stable. A man who trains his body, sharpens his mind, follows his ambitions, and protects his peace naturally becomes less emotionally desperate. His absence starts happening organically because he is no longer centering his entire existence around chasing reassurance. People value those who value themselves first. That truth changes everything. When your attention is no longer driven by fear of losing someone, your presence begins feeling more authentic, calm, and emotionally grounded. Ironically, the more a man reconnects with his own direction, the more others begin feeling the emotional weight of his absence without him ever trying to create it intentionally. Most men become uncomfortable the moment emotional tension appears. A delayed reply, a change in energy, or a little emotional distance immediately triggers anxiety. And instead of staying calm, they rush to fix the discomfort. They send another message. They over-explain themselves. They ask for reassurance too quickly because silence feels threatening to them. But emotionally reactive behavior often destroys attraction faster than the original problem ever could. Emotionally disciplined men understand something different. Not every moment of uncertainty needs an immediate reaction. Sometimes the strongest response is composure. Silence becomes powerful when a man no longer feels controlled by the fear of losing attention. He does not impulsively text just to reduce his own anxiety. He does not chase clarity every time emotions become slightly uncertain. He allows space instead of forcing emotional control over every situation. This creates a completely different emotional dynamic. Silence interrupts predictability. When someone expects constant attention, constant reassurance, and constant emotional availability, your calm restraint suddenly becomes noticeable. Silence forces people to confront what constant attention once distracted them from. They begin sitting with the emotional space instead of endlessly consuming your energy without reflection. Think about how powerful composure looks today. A woman replies hours later, and instead of reacting emotionally, a man continues focusing on his life calmly. He does not punish her. He does not become passive-aggressive. He simply remains centered. Another man notices emotional distance and immediately begins begging for reassurance, overanalyzing every interaction, and emotionally spiraling. The contrast is obvious. One is controlled by emotion, the other controls himself. That calm emotional steadiness creates quiet strength because it communicates confidence without words. People naturally feel the difference between forced silence and peaceful silence. Silence driven by ego feels manipulative and cold. Silence rooted in self-respect feels grounded and emotionally mature. The goal is never to make someone suffer emotionally. The goal is to stop abandoning your peace every time uncertainty appears. A man who masters silence no longer reacts impulsively to every emotional shift, and ironically, that emotional control often becomes the very thing that makes his presence feel impossible to ignore later. Something interesting happens when a woman realizes you are no longer emotionally chasing her the way you once did. At first, the change is subtle. She notices your energy feels different. You are still respectful, still calm, but no longer constantly available. The endless reassurance disappears. The constant initiating slows down. And suddenly, the emotional certainty she became used to no longer feels guaranteed. That is usually when curiosity begins replacing comfort. She may start initiating conversations more often. She may check your attention in indirect ways, wondering whether your focus has shifted elsewhere. Sometimes she becomes more observant of your behavior because your reduced availability creates emotional contrast. The same attention that once felt automatic now feels less predictable, and human psychology naturally reacts to uncertainty. Most people never notice stable emotional patterns until those patterns change. When someone is always chasing, always available, and always emotionally invested no matter what happens, their presence slowly becomes expected. But the moment that energy pulls back naturally, emotional awareness increases. Questions quietly begin forming in the mind. Why does he feel more distant lately? Why is he less reactive? Why does his attention suddenly feel harder to read? Humans are emotionally affected by the possibility of loss far more than they realize. Not necessarily the loss of a relationship itself, but the loss of certainty. The mind starts replaying interactions because unresolved emotional tension creates psychological focus. That is why someone who once seemed completely comfortable may suddenly become more curious after feeling emotional distance. The important thing to understand is that this is not about controlling another person's emotions. It is not about making someone anxious on purpose or creating fake scarcity. This is simply what happens when emotional energy changes. The moment your attention becomes less available, your presence often becomes more valuable because people finally have space to feel the difference. And sometimes that realization creates emotional confusion on the other side. A woman who once felt completely secure in your pursuit may suddenly begin wondering whether she underestimated your importance. She notices your calmness, your reduced emotional chasing, your focus elsewhere. And ironically, the less you try forcing emotional attention, the more your absence begins speaking for you in ways words never could before. This is where many men ruin everything they built. The moment they decide to pull back emotionally, they turn it into a performance. They pretend not to care. They become cold on purpose. They ignore messages to create anxiety. Some even use silence as punishment, hoping emotional distance will force someone to chase them harder. But forced detachment rarely feels powerful. Most of the time, It feels emotionally immature. People can sense when silence comes from ego instead of peace. Fake indifference carries emotional tension underneath it. Passive aggression, manipulative silence, and emotional games usually reveal insecurity more than confidence. A man who constantly tries to control someone else's emotions is still emotionally controlled by the outcome himself. True emotional discipline looks completely different. It is calm, grounded, self-respecting. A mature man does not need to announce his distance or weaponize his attention. He simply stops abandoning himself for validation. He continues focusing on his purpose, his routines, and his peace without becoming emotionally reactive. The goal is not to win emotional power over another person. The goal is emotional stability within yourself. That distinction changes everything because emotionally centered men no longer make decisions from panic, ego, or fear of loss. They move with clarity instead of emotional desperation. Real power is not making someone chase you. Real power is remaining emotionally centered with or without attention. And ironically, that quiet inner stability is often what creates the deepest emotional respect over time. At the end of the day, people often recognize value only after they stop having unlimited access to it. That is the uncomfortable truth most men spend years learning. Constant availability rarely creates emotional respect. Calmness does. Self-control does. Purpose does. The more emotionally centered a man becomes, the less he feels the need to chase attention, force connection, or beg for reassurance. And ironically, that inner stability is usually what makes his presence feel more valuable in the first place. Weak men chase reassurance. Strong men create presence. That does not mean becoming cold, distant, or emotionally unavailable. It means learning how to remain grounded even when emotions become uncertain. Anyone can react emotionally. Very few people can remain calm under pressure. That calmness communicates strength louder than words ever could. The moment you stop needing validation, people begin to feel your value differently. Your attention carries more weight because it no longer comes from desperation. Your silence feels stronger because it comes from peace. And your absence becomes noticeable because your presence was genuine all along. So ask yourself honestly, have you ever noticed someone valuing you more after you stopped chasing their attention? What lesson in this video changed your perspective the most? Because real transformation begins the moment a man stops trying to control other people and starts mastering himself instead. And that is exactly what this channel is about. This channel is for men who master themselves first.